Near the bottom of the left driver's side hood shock is a red button, yellow arrow. Take some weight off the shock and press this button in and raise the hood all the way up to the service position. With the hood all the way up, the button will lock the shock in the full upright or service position as indicated by the red arrow. With the hood braced and the weight taken off of the shock, take a small flathead screwdriver and gently pry out the clip around the base of the shock, red arrow. You do not need to remove the clip from the shock, just pry it out a little. If you haven't braced the hood, you're going to need someone to take the weight of it off of the shock at this point. With the clip moved away from the shock housing, you can push the shock off of the mounting ball, yellow arrow. When installing the new shock, you do not need to pry the clip out. You can simply pull the mounting cup over the ball and the shock will snap into place, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.